Hi guys! In this video, I'm going to show you how to tag someone on TikTok using your Android phone. So if you want to know how to tag someone on TikTok, just keep on watching this video and let's get started. First, go to your TikTok app, then click the plus button here, then let's upload a video. Then click next. Then here at the top, you can describe your video. You can use hashtags or you can tag your friend. Just type @ symbol, then search your friend here. Then you can type your hashtags. And then simply post this video. Click post here. And that's it. If this video helped you out, please consider leaving a like and let me know in the comments if you have any question. Have a good day!